friends! Welcome back to the quiz challenge. Today, we are here to play a round of Would You Rather. Are you ready to have some fun? Hit that subscribe button and share with your friends before we begin. Let's go!
Would you rather visit a floating city in the clouds or explore an underwater kingdom? Walk through a candy-filled forest or wander into a giant's garden? Stay in a castle made of ice or stay in a treehouse village? Fly on a dragon's back or ride a unicorn through a meadow? Visit a city made of glass or visit a town made of obsidian? Would you rather attend a wizard's school or attend a fairy academy? Explore an enchanted forest or explore a haunted mansion? Swim in a rainbow-colored lake or bathe in a magical hot spring? Discover a hidden fairy village or discover a secret pirate island? Travel to futuristic space station or travel to a prehistoric world? Pen a masquerade ball in a grand palace or join a carnival in a floating island? Visit an ancient temple in the jungle or visit a mystical mountain monastery? Sail on a ship through the sky or sail on a boat through glowing waters? Explore a labyrinth full of puzzles or explore a maze full of magical creatures? Relax on a beach with pink sand or relax in a garden with singing flowers? Travel to a moon made of ice cream or travel to a moon made of cotton candy? Run a race on rainbow roads or play soccer with a flaming ball? Be invisible and travel for free or teleport anywhere? Play Quidditch or have a wizard's duel? Eat a never-ending candy or eat a never-ending pizza? Have a tea party with animals or a council of wise trees? Visit a cave to other dimensions or a cave to other worlds? Be able to fly anywhere or breathe underwater? Visit Batman's cave or visit Iron Man's lab? Have a world of talking animals or go to a world with fantasy animals? Visit a mermaid kingdom or visit a fairy kingdom? stay in an enchanted lighthouse, or stay in a secret elf house? Use the time-traveling machine, or travel on a UFO? Visit a library with a portal book, or visit a Night of the Live museum? Would you rather be able to read minds or speak all languages? Travel with a brave knight or travel with a wise wizard? Visit an enchanted items market or visit a liquid light river? Travel with a vampire or travel with a werewolf? Stay in a cloud cabin or stay in a rainbow castle? Attend a magical mask festival or go to Canyon Suspended Ballroom?